Hi, it's Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and this afternoon we've got this 2018 Kawasaki H2 SX. The bike is completely standard, but they are really bad from the factory and are really restrictive, as I'll go through when we've done the final run now. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to do the final run and then we'll talk through everything that we've achieved.
Okay, so just to clarify, this is a completely standard bike out of the factory, yeah?
Yeah, completely standard exhaust. And the base run this afternoon we had 175, which is the blue line, and now we have 213 brake horsepower, so massive 38 horsepower increase. That is more or less throughout mid-range and top end, just the pure fact that the model is just so restricted from factory through the ignition. So we map the ignition to suit, and then we obviously fuel it to suit as well, and that gives us that amazing figure of 38 horsepower. Just accelerates so much better, probably how it's designed to be revved now, and it just gets there a lot faster.
Is that Euro 4? Why would Kawasaki possibly put out a bike so restricted?
It's just a combination of emissions, and I think it's just because it's just too fast for the road. I think that's just how it's restricted. So yeah, we've taken them restrictions off. We've removed his exhaust servo and unplugged his lumbar sensor. It's given us that amazing result. So yeah, I'll just show you this as well. Obviously that is 100% throttle. So if we go to 17%, that's where he'll do most of his riding, and you can see still a massive gain there of 20 horsepower. Accelerates so much more smoother, as you can see. It's a lot smoother curve, and now actually revs out to a rev line. So obviously the blues before that was 64 horsepower, and this is now 84, so again a 20, and that is where the bloke will probably do most of his riding. So yeah, be a million times better. So if you want yours, please give us a call.